Good morning, children. Uh, I have made earlier uh, the video for how many squares, but that video has not my voice. But no any student have asked about the voice, but I have I understand without voice you are facing so many problems. So today I am going to make a new video for this chapter. This is the chapter how many square, and you have to read the square and rectangle. In this chapter we have to read about the square and rectangle. How many square? From the name of this chapter you all are understand what is the what is to be done in this chapter. Look carefully. This is a rectangle, and if this small rectangle has length and breadth 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and after that 1 centimeter. And if it is 0.5 centimeter, it is 0.5 centimeter. So the total length, total breadth of this rectangle will be 1 centimeter. Then how many total small rectangle in this big rectangle you can count? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is there is 8 small rectangle. You have to calculate the area of rectangle. Formula: length into breadth. Length into breadth, then area of a small rectangle will be 1 centimeter into 0.5 centimeter equals to, this will be 0.5 centimeter square. And how many rectangle are there? There is 5 rectangle. Then area of big rectangle equals to 0.5 into 8 equals to 8 5 ja 40 .0 8 0 is 0. Then you have to write the point here on place of 1. This is centimeter square. You can calculate it by using the big length. This length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Then 4 into 1 equals to 4 centimeter square. This and this both is equal. So in this way you can count the number of small angle, or you can find the area of rectangle by using the formula. Again, come on perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is also known as perimeter of boundary of rectangle. It is a rectangle. Suppose the length of this rectangle is 5 centimeter and breadth of 2 centimeter. Then perimeter or boundary equals to sum of all side. Sum of all side means this is 5 centimeter, then this will also 5 centimeter, and either side, either breadth also 2 centimeter. Then you have to calculate the boundary. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 14 centimeter. Isn't it? Formula for perimeter. Formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth equals to 2 into 5 plus 2 equals to 2 into 7 equals to 14 centimeter. You can match this 14 by this 14. Is this matching? So you can find the boundary or perimeter of the rectangle by using this formula. Now come on area and perimeter of square. Area of square is side into side. You all know this is a square and it has equal 4 sides. Let the one side of square is 5 centimeter, then all side will also 5 centimeter. By using this formula you can find. Then 5 into 5 equals to 25 centimeter square. Why this square is used with the area? Because the unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Because this side also in centimeter, this side also. Both the side are in centimeter. Then centimeter into centimeter equals to centimeter square. So this square is using with the area. This is the formula of formula to find the area of square. And perimeter of square equals to sum of all side equals to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 20 centimeter. You can find by using formula to find perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Then what was the side? Side is 5 centimeter. Then 4 5 are 20 centimeter. You can match this by this. Both are equal. So you can find the perimeter of square by using the formula 4 into side, and area by using the formula side into side. It is side into side. Now you can find or write these questions in your copy. What is the question? Question is wait for erasing. Yes, this is the question. Question related to perimeter and area of a square. Find the area and perimeter of a square whose side is given. This is the square. You can find the area and perimeter of this square. You have to find and write in your copy. Question number 1, first, second, third. Look here. Question number 1, 2, 3, and after that find the area and perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth is given. So you all, this is the question. Write in your copy first, second, third, and fourth. Come on, next point. This is the irregular shape. Irregular shape means the shape which has irregular length of the side is known as irregular shape. You can see in this picture, one side is 6 centimeter, another side is 4 centimeter, next is 4 centimeter, and after that two sides are equal of 2 centimeter. You have to find its boundary. Then you should you should use the formula sum of all side equals to 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Then 6 plus 4, 10, 14 to 16 to 18. 18 centimeter will be the answer. Then write this in your copy. Also this in your copy. and after that this is this is in your copy. Write these question in your copy, and in this way we have to reach at the end of the lesson. And I have given on 1st May 2020 to solve some problem in your homework. Then write that question in your homework. Thank you.